Hi everyone, my name is Jeff and today I'll be running through with you how to create a local user on the XenMobile server. Now, the recommendation for production is definitely to use users actually synced to your Active Directory. But if a customer or if you really wanted to, in your environment, you can actually create local users and you can actually have local groups from that perspective as well. So from here, I can actually go click on manage local users. So as you can see, there's a default MSP that you can actually use. If not, you can actually create your own local groups, for example, IT, or for example, sales, right? And those groups will just be added on to this. If you wanted to, you can click on the rubbish bin icon and remove that sales group, okay? So we can also import local users. This will actually be users based on a XLS files. You can actually have the user property, or you can actually use the users. Okay. Other options that you can actually do is you can actually manually add a local user. Okay, so I'll just put local user 20 over here. I will specify a password and I can specify a role. So as you can see, there are some default roles in the system. So I'll just choose users. If you wanted to, you can actually create a local user role or a limited admin role. And if you view my other YouTube video, I have actually shown how to create the limited admin in the system itself. Okay, so I can specify what membership I want to map that user to. So in this case, I'll map them to a local sales role. Clicking on the manage groups enables you to jump quickly to the screen to actually manage the groups that you have in the system. Okay, and you can actually add different user properties directly from here as well. So as you can see, I can specify company name equals to a certain value. I can specify the department as well. Okay, so that's if you want to add custom values to this particular user locally. Okay, I'll click on save over here. So as you can see, my local user is created. Okay, and it's assigned to the local group sales group. So one important thing to take note of is if you are using the Citrix NetScaler to actually authenticate yourself into the XenMobile system, this same local user 20 will have to be created manually on the NetScaler as well. So both users have to be created on the NetScaler and the XenMobile server. The username and password will also have to be synchronized in order for the user to access the system, right? So that's all I have for you from a local user perspective. Thank you.